Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this bronze gold eye using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. If you want to get this look, then keep on watching. First thing you want to do is to prime your eyes using an eyeshadow primer. Now I'm going in with the Coty Airspun translucent powder and setting down that primer to give it a good base for the eyeshadow. I'm going to go into the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette and pick up the color MFEO. I am just laying MFEO in my crease. This color is a great transition color. I'm just making sure to sweep it from my whole eyelid and making sure that I blend it very well. Now I'm going back into the palette and picking up this awesome yellowish color called Creamsicle, and I'm going to work that into my crease. I am just using windshield wiper motions, and I am just intensifying that crease and giving it a really nice pop of color. Because I have hooded eyelids, I always fan the shadow higher on my eyelid to create the illusion that my crease is higher than it is. It's a nice little trick if you have hooded eyes. Now going in and picking up the color ROXANNE, it is this nice burnt orange color. Using the same brush, I am also putting ROXANNE in my crease, but I'm making sure to place it below Creamsicle. I want there to be a distinct separation in the colors. Make sure that you blend very well so that you don't have any harsh lines. I'm going to be taking the color Chip, which is a dark brown color, and I'm going to be deepening up my crease. I am also taking Chip and placing it in my outer V and deepening that up, and then I'm going to take it and I'm going to sweep it across my whole entire crease. You may also notice that I am using a piece of tape, and the reason that I did this was because it also controls the fallout and it will help me have a strong, nice line for my eyeliner later on. Now I am just going back in using that same fluffy brush as before and just blending out any of the harsh lines and just making sure that all the colors flow together nicely. Back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm picking up the color Creamsicle again, and I am just sweeping that back over in my crease to intensify the color because of all the blending that we did so that it will pop. I am also going back in with the color Chip and doing the exact same thing. I am just going in with a concealer. It's the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going in and placing this on my lid to create a sort of cut crease effect because it helps to clean up the lid and make it for a more precise application. I'm applying this to about 3/4 of my lid. I'm not placing this on my outer V. I want to make sure that that's a deep color. Now going back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, using the color Meeks on a flat shader brush, I'm going to sweep that color over my eyelid and I'm going to place it to about the center of my lid. I am taking the color 24/7 on that same flat shader brush, and I'm just going to sweep it from my inner corner back to the middle. I am also making sure that I blend that color over Meeks so that you have a more of a gradient effect. The The last color I'm going to be applying is the color in Light, and I'm just using a small rounded brush from Morphe, and I am applying it under my brow bone and in my inner corners to highlight. This is the finished look using just eyeshadow. I'm going to finish it off with some eyeliner and some lashes. I'm using the Ardell Wispy Lashes. This is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And as always, stay beautiful. Toodles! Oh man, why does my phone seriously always ring every single time that I'm